Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate and use the AI creativity assistant on the Poco X7 Pro. This is a powerful feature that lets you edit photos with AI tools like eraser, expand, and enhance, and more. And okay, let's get started. First, just open your gallery and select a photo that you like to edit. Now just tap on edit, this pencil icon, like this, and then just tap on the three dots icons in the bottom right corner, this one, just tap on it, and then just tap minutes plugins, just tap on it. And here, if this is your first time using the AI creativity tools, you will see a download button for each plugin. Then just tap download, and once installed, the tools will be ready to use. And in my case, they already installed, so it says installed instead, like this. And once the plugins are installed, you are ready to edit. Just go back and then just edit your photo by tap on AI button. And here you will see several options, AI creativity options, like enhance tools, expand, eraser, remove reflections, and then skies. For example, I will use AI erase. This will let you remove unwanted objects from your photo. Simply highlight the area and the AI will clean it up very neatly. And then in here you can choose several options that are available, like for remove object, or remove lines, or remove people. Or even you can also use manually remover. For example, I will use remove objects, and then just highlight the object that you want to remove, like this. So it will highlight automatically like this. And then just tap start to remove the objects. Like this. As you can see, it removed the object very neatly. And then just tap on check mark. And then you can use AI expand tools. And then just choose ratio that you want. Maybe I will choose this one. And then just tap start to expand your photo. And see, AI will expand the backgrounds naturally to fit like this. And next you can also try enhance tools. This will improve the overall quality of your image, that making it sharper or more vibrant. And also you can use remove reflections, that it will remove the reflections on your photo. And then you can also use sky tools, that it will add skies on the photos. You can just choose the skies that you like. And that's it. Now you know how to activate and use the AI creativity assistant on your Poco X7 Pro. Whether you want to erase objects, or expand your photos, enhance them, or just remove reflections, or add sky effects on your photo. This tool will make editing super easy and fun. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.